Good afternoon to one and all present out here. Today I, Kalzang Bhutia of class 8B, is going to recite a short poem. The title of my poem is Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day? Sonnet number 18 by William Shakespeare. Hope you will enjoy it. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling buds of May, and summer's lease hath all too short a date. Sometimes too hot the eye of heaven shines, and often is his cold complexion dim, and every fair from fair sometime declines, by chance or nature's changing course untrimmed. But thy eternal summer shall not fade, nor lose possession of that fair thou owest, nor shall death brag thou wanderest in his shade, when in eternal lines to time they grossed. So long as men can breathe or eyes can see, so long lives this, and this gives life to thee. Thank you.